those are things that we are working on, and it's not a problem that happened overnight. And I think from government to government, you try to deal with it in certain way. But right now there's I think a traffic ordinance, but even the old ordinance, it was not allowed to have your animals roaming. So it's just a continuation. But we are busy working and also educating. And I believe the important part is everyone should understand what the important is. If you just allow animals to just roam, then there is a destruction, and everybody will probably feel the pinch in the end. So once you have that picture, and I believe bringing over the message and not just, do it in a rough way, because remember, we are government and we are government for everyone.